want you to think for a moment. How many different passwords do you currently have? Is it just one password you use for everything? A couple of variations? Or a different password for each website or application? If you have just one or a few, that's a huge security risk. But if you have many, the chances of you remembering them are basically zero. So, what is the solution to this problem that literally everyone faces? A password manager. If you already have one, great. But the chances are you don't. And why not? Honestly, most people think it's difficult to use, but it couldn't be easier. You remember one complex master password, and the password manager remembers the rest. There's a browser extension and a phone application, so your passwords go with you wherever you go. Not only does it autofill your passwords, but it will automatically create extremely long and difficult passwords for you, because you won't have to remember them anyway. This makes them impossible to crack with brute force attempts, and you don't have to put it on yet another sticky note. If you're not using a password manager in the world of endless credentials, it's time to make the move. Reach out today and we'll get you set up right away.